Tracking your nutrition is like keeping a diary of what you eat and drink. It helps you understand your eating habits and make healthier choices. There are many helpful tools available to make tracking your nutrition easy. You can use apps on your phone or websites to log your meals. These tools can even tell you how many calories and nutrients are in your food. By tracking your nutrition, you can see if you're getting enough of the good stuff like fruits, vegetables and protein. You can also see if you're eating too much of the not-so-good stuff like sugary drinks and processed foods. Knowing what you're putting into your body gives you the power to make positive changes to your diet. Fitness trackers are like having a personal trainer on your wrist. They help you monitor your progress and stay motivated on your fitness journey. These handy devices can track your steps, heart rate, sleep and more. They can tell you how many calories you burn during your workouts. Fitness trackers can also help you set goals and stay accountable. For example, you can set a goal to walk 10,000 steps each day or burn a certain number of calories during your workout. Seeing your progress and achieving your goals can be incredibly motivating. Fitness trackers provide you with valuable data to help you stay on track and reach your full potential. Section 4. Supplements. Boosting your fitness journey. Supplements are like extra tools you can add to your fitness toolbox. They can help you fill nutritional gaps in your diet and support your overall health and fitness goals. Think of supplements as helpers that provide your body with additional nutrients or compounds that may be missing from your diet. It's important to note that supplements are not meant to replace a healthy diet and exercise plan. They are meant to supplement or enhance your existing efforts. Section 5. Popular supplements and their uses. There are many different types of supplements available, each with its own unique benefits. Here are a few examples of common supplements and how they can support your fitness journey. Protein powder helps build and repair muscle tissue, especially after workouts. Creatine enhances muscle strength and power, leading to better performance in the gym. Fish oil provides omega-3 fatty acids, which are important for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation. Multivitamins ensure you're meeting your daily requirements for essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before starting any new supplements. Section 6. Integrating supplements wisely. Integrating supplements into your fitness plan should be done thoughtfully and safely. Here are a few tips. Consult with a healthcare professional. Talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine which supplements are right for you and your individual needs. Asterisk. Choose reputable brands. Opt for supplements from well-known brands that have high-quality standards. Asterisk. Follow recommended dosages. Always follow the recommended dosage instructions on the supplement label. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body reacts to supplements. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult with your doctor. Remember, supplements are meant to support your fitness journey, not replace a healthy lifestyle. By combining a balanced diet, regular exercise and carefully chosen supplements, you can optimize your health and fitness goals.